try. This normal mode is 8, only 80%. Ultra normal mode 49%. Apologies normal mode 50%. Trial. Now this is my favorite level step. Oh, it's only 2%, but it's lagging. What the fuck? What? You think I will quit this? Back on track. Oh, yeah. This is my favorite level. 2. The first favorite level. Second, I can't let go. Can't let go. Lagging! I hate lag. So I hate this. I hate this commercial. So I will try to can't let go. The last one. What the? I already tapped it, but it's not. What? I tapped it. I tapped it up anywhere, but it's not used. It's no use. Ah! What a lag! I hate lagging, and I hate glitching. Glitching. What the fudge? Oh, I really hate Stereo Madness. Is it lagging? Ah, lagging too. Oh. Time. I don't want that. This time machine. I don't like this time machine. That's my very hate level. These cycles. Where are music? What? What? What the fudge? The oh yeah. What the? Oh, I better quit. So I never played the chopper before. Kinda hard too, because I'm not pro in the Geometry Dash. Kind of hard. And my cell phone is hard touch. And the other cell phone, just like Samsung, that's soft touch. Then this is my phone. It's a hard touch. I don't want this phone because it's hard touch. What the fudge? the I'm boring now. This level base after base. Critical too. What? I jump it, jump. I really hate this. Oh no. Oh no. Only 1%. So, bye guys. Hope you like this video. But it's lovely. If you don't like this video, click the unlike button. If you like it, click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe it because I'm a new YouTuber, a Filipino. Hello, bye-bye na. Please paki-subscribe na lang. Ay, that's the Filipino words. Bye!